Alright, I'm here with my bro Samir here. Samir and Unica joining us from today. So this is the Skyrail in Cairns. So where's Machi and Unica? Toilet? Okay guys, our town is coming soon.
Yeah.
So we're gonna hop inside the cable car in like 1-2 minutes. Excited. It's my first time. But Machi is third time. Yeah, so sorry. We're just gonna show our tickets and then we're gonna head towards inside. Let's go. Okay guys, we are ready here.
Let's go.
Let's go. I'm scared now.
Oh my god.
Nice. Yeah, boys.
I think I have guide or something here.
Nice view. Shit, he's gonna be scared.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are here in the lookout station now, pretty much, the waterfall. So let's see, it looks amazing from the cable car, so let's find it out. How was Barun Falls?
It was really good.
Nice.
So this is we're gonna head to last destination now.
Which one?
Last destination.
Last destination. I think the train one right now.
No, we're gonna visit like a village or like a
village.
small town.
And after that train, right?
Train.
Nice river.
Nice. Nice.
Alright guys, so almost next destination. Last one of the cable car. It's a small town. What's the town name, do you know?
Kuranda. Kuranda, yeah.
Kuranda?
Kuranda.
Alright, we're in Kuranda.
Kuranda.
Maybe 2 minutes almost to the stop and then we're gonna head to the town. Okay, we are finally here in Kuranda Village and now we're heading to one of the cafe here. And after that we're gonna explore the village. This is the one? Alright, today's breakfast gonna be
What you gonna have?
breakfast special crepe. I'm gonna have the breakfast special crepe
Okay.
with extra chorizo. When you do normal weight.
Oh my god, unicorn is so good.
Okay, so we are here in Kuranda railway station. Now we're gonna take the train and then we're gonna head towards the bottom, I guess, to the Cairns. This is it, the train. So we're gonna hop in the train now soon. So we're gonna find our platform and then we're gonna go inside. Go inside.
Ready? Okay. Let's go.
Excited?
Yeah. Thank you.
Hotel living guys. 13.
On board now. I'm here to help you.
We are to our apartment now. So we just booked our apartment in front of the beach. Looking nice, looking good.
So we're gonna stay in Sea Change.
Apartments?
Yeah.
Yeah. So alright, let's go in and check in. Where's Samir and Unica? Inside?
Could be.
Alright, let's go. I think they are waiting in the lobby room.
Nice. I think this one gonna be Shami and then Norris.
Yep.
You need the one. I did that one.
Nice.